What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a video on something from the guys over at Coverland here. Also, iCarCover USA on TikTok. We'll put their socials in the description here. Also have a special link that you guys can go to purchase yourselves a car cover. I have this one here, which is actually going to be for a future vehicle on the channel. But we have access to that same-ish vehicle. So what we're going to be doing in this video, we're going to be cracking open this cover. We're going to be taking a look at it and seeing how the quality of the fitment is. They have a 10-year warranty on it, I believe, and it's looking pretty nice. So I like to have high-quality car covers on all of my cars. I try to keep my cars nice and clean, swirl-free. I believe this one is an indoor-outdoor cover. It does have clamps that can go under and secure it to the car. I want to see how it's going to work for an indoor cover, so that's the plan. I did open this already, so we're going to jump right in, but if we take a look here, this is what we should be expecting to see, I think. Black cover with some red stripes, so that's pretty cool. First things first, when I open it, this is something that I'm actually pretty excited for, which is kind of silly, but it's got a bag. The bag is nicely lined and it's got a nice high quality zipper on it, so that I am excited for. I have a nice car cover for my 2000 WS6. I don't have a bag for it, so it just kind of goes in a trash bag or something that I can keep it in to keep the bugs and mites and all that crap out. So also in the bag we have some straps. So like I mentioned, this is designed to be held onto your car outdoors. I'm not a big outdoor car cover kind of guy. I prefer to have my cars inside, clean, and under a cover, but they do have the nice straps in here. I'm not sure that we'll use those, but they do have them. Also, we have this guy vacuum sealed, so it can limit the amount of space it takes up. Tell you right away, this is a nice heavy car cover. I'm curious to see what it feels like inside and out. We're just going to open it up right away. Carefully. Just have a little strap around this, kind of wrapped up like a present. It's got a little bow tie here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of nice. Let's give her a. Well, it's tied too well. Break her out of here. All right. So we got the cover here, and this is going to be very hard to unravel without a car. So before we do the fitment test on, this is for a Corvette, the C5 Corvette. Like I said earlier, this is hopefully a picture into the future on this channel. That is the next car I intend to buy for this channel. But before we do a fitment test and go over and do that on the C5 that I have access to, I want to get this kind of unraveled, unboxed on my WS6 so we can take a look at it, see what it looks like, and get an idea of the material used on here. I'm already getting an idea, but just kind of feel it out and see what it's all about. All right, this might not be the easiest thing to do, but I'm just gonna lay her on here, kind of unfold it, and try and find the underside. So right away, this material is kind of like a kite material, so it is designed to be an outdoor cover of sorts. I want to see what the inside material feels like, because that's my biggest concern. These are always no scratch covers, so even if it has an outdoor material, it should be totally fine for indoor use. We'll find it. There we go. So this has a soft inner material. It's a nice feeling material. I'll try and find the front and the back and put it on the car just to see what it looks like on this car, and then we'll go put it on a C5. Alright guys, so the first time unraveling this thing is always the hardest time to figure out where the front is, where the back is. Like I said earlier, this is not made for this car. This is made for a C5 Corvette, and we're going to go fit one on there and see what the fitment is. We're just trying to see what the quality of the cover is and all of that. So first things first, we have these mirror pockets. They look to be oversized, which is awesome. I've had covers in the past that have kind of rode on the edges of the mirrors, and then they end up wearing in. And, you know, ultimately, this is fabric. It has, like, dye in it and stuff. So that can wear into your mirrors. So that alone is awesome. Looks like we have little, I don't know what this is. A vent pocket, maybe? I'll have to look and get back. But going to the back, we can get an idea of the fabric on here. So it's a nice soft fabric. Shouldn't mar or scratch your paint. It does, once you get it unraveled, it does say that it's the back. The front obviously says the front. And yeah, so this looks pretty good. One thing I noticed going through here that's pretty neat is that it has these tie-down points. So it has straps in here. And these are, again, since I will primarily use this indoors, not something I'll use, but the straps are covered by the same material that covers the car. A lot of other car covers just have them kind of hanging there. Actually, we went to look at a C8 Corvette, and the guy had a cover on it, and these are just smacking the paint all over as he was taking the cover off. But if you would have bought one of these, he would have had it covered and wouldn't have to worry about that. So, same thing down here with a little plastic knot hole. So, same deal on the back side. It has a nice cover, and that's not going to scratch or mar your paint. So, that's pretty awesome. All right, before we go test this on the Corvette, one thing I did notice is that it has reflective strip here, which is kind of neat. If you use it for an outdoor cover, just a little added bit of protection. I have a camera up there, so I'll put a clip in right now that just kind of shows how it reflects. And then I did confirm also that this hole here is for ventilation. So if you keep it outside, it keeps moisture down inside and does all that. So I was kind of hoping it would lose some wrinkles overnight. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't, but I don't think it did so far. So let's go try it on the Corvette. All right, so we're headed over to try this out on the Corvette. And I have to say, kind of hard getting it in there, but I really like this carry bag. As you can see, my other car cover is in a plastic tote. So this is very nice. Gonna go try it on a C5 convertible, which has the same overall dimensions as a C506, like Targa top, or not Targa, fixed roof coupe. So we're gonna head over there now and go try this guy out. Alright, so here we have it, you guys. You can see that obviously this fits the Corvette a little bit better than the WS6, a little bit smaller car. I do see why these mirror pockets were so big now too. It's nice that they're big enough to not really, wear on the mirrors, but the mirrors definitely stick out a little further in this car. So fit and finish on this thing is freaking perfect. Again, this is on a coupe. This does fit multiple years, so it looks like there's a little extra space back here. If we take a look. So I think we'd be able to fit that on a Targa top vehicle too. One maybe with the spoiler as well. It's got a little extra room back here. So, but that looks good. And then yeah, oversized here again, which I do like. So super easy to put on. I do like that the front here says front, the rear says rear. So makes it really easy to locate where it's supposed to be. And the stripes are just kind of cool, sitting on the car in the garage. So definitely fits a C5 Corvette 100% as it should. So before wrapping this video up, there's a couple of things I want to point out, just pertaining to car covers in general. One of the things is that you see we have a garage full of stuff here, and actually my garage was cleaner than the last one was. But one thing that we really benefit from having a car cover for is like just little things. So if you guys recall my storage, I have stuff hanging up on the wall. You know, in a garage, you're generally working on something. A car cover is going to protect you from really having to deal with any of that stuff, kind of making little scratches and creating dust and stuff on your car. With the mention of dust, we have a car over here that is a project. I don't keep a cover on it because it's inconvenient to be in and out working on things, but take a look at just like, I just wiped this down a little bit ago. I don't know how well you can see that. It's got a nice old coat of dust on it versus a car that, now granted out of the sun, but a car that, you know, is generally covered and a little more well preserved with a cover. You can just tell it doesn't have a ton of dust on it. Keeps it nice and clean. You pull a cover off and you have a clean car that's ready to go. So really you're doing kind of a preventative maintenance of sorts of just keeping the car clean and keeping the cover on it and you know, keeping it out of the elements. All right, guys, so you guys saw how well that fit on the C5 Corvette. We did see that it has a little excess around some of the edges. I think that's kind of nice because a lot of people will buy a car, they like it, they'll upgrade. So you buy a C5, you upgrade to a C6, it's going to fit the C6. It's going to have a little more room for a spoiler on the back. If you do a little lip spoiler, stuff like that. You want to upgrade to a C7, it fits the C7. And the C7 has the center exit exhaust like the C5 and the C6, but it kind of pops out a little bit more. And if you guys can see in the video, there is a little space kind of where it comes around the bottom and then it just droops a little bit. So it's there to cover up that exhaust. So fit and finish on this thing is very nice. I like the all-weather kind of material to it, but it's also super soft on the inside. So it really it provides multiple options. You can use it outside, inside. One of the biggest killers of cars, obviously, is moisture. Cars are metal. So if you're going to store a car outside for a long period of time, you get a high-quality cover. You keep that moisture off the car, out of there. But as we pointed out, there are little holes that allow airflow. So you reduce your chances of mold. You allow moisture to kind of work its way out, and you maintain airflow. So one of the really nice things about this car cover is how water resistant it is. Also, another quiet killer of cars is obviously the sun and UV rays. So this does a good job of blocking out all the UV rays, keeping your car nice and cool. And like the cars that we have, you know, a 4th gen F body and a 5th gen Corvette, those have your typical 90s to 2000s plastic interiors. So keeping those UV rays out of there, you know, you don't have to go tint your windows and have like the look of tinted windows. If you don't like it, you just put a car cover on it while you're storing it outside. So multiple benefits of having a car cover. It's very cheap insurance. You guys probably pay anywhere from $100 to $200 a month on insurance. You can get a good car cover within that range. You know, prices fluctuate, whatever, but it's like a month of insurance for, you know, a lifetime of insurance in a car cover. So all in all, I am super happy with this car cover, the iCarCover cover, and I really appreciate them sending it over. We do have a discount code. I'm going to put it up right here, and we'll put their link in the description as well with the discount code, so you can copy and paste it. So that'll get you a little bit of money off and free shipping. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and go get you guys a nice car cover for your car. If you really enjoy your car and truly appreciate having said car, invest in it and invest in its protection. And there's no better way to do that than obviously normal maintenance, washing, waxing, whatever. But if it's sitting there, it needs protection too. So go find yourself a car cover, hit the link in the description. And yeah, if you guys, again, have any questions, feel free to let us know, and we'll see you guys in the next video.